Hello, hello. Merry Christmas to everybody. I got a comment from an individual, One Republic. He says, "Hey man, can you make a video on its use, which is the and how to mine it? I bought it in 2017, but not a lot of info on it." Okay, he's talking about the 0x Bitcoin, essentially, right? So I did a video on it like December 19th. Anyway, so what I did was I actually post. I asked the question of the Reddit, no Discord. Sorry, I asked the question of the Discord, the 0xBT Discord, and how do you get to that? You go to here. Uh, sorry, this video here. Excuse me. This video right here, which I'll link in the show notes. Join our join the 0x Bitcoin Discord, right? So I joined that actually. And I asked, of course, I asked the question. I'll show you. I asked this question. Hey, got a question from a YouTube comment about 0xBTC. Hey man, can you make a video on its use and how to mine it? I bought it in 2017, but not a lot of info on it. Any videos I can send? Oh, I said any videos I can send to this person regarding how to mine 0xBTC. See, and anyway, this individual here wrote back and said, "Hey, this is a URL, right?" So I went to this URL, and I'll just post the first video that I talked about here, which is how to mine 0x Bitcoin Ethereum token. It gives an example, basically goes through the video that explains it. The other one I'm going to share with here is this kind of explains what 0x BTC is. So this individual here, there's two individuals, right? There's actually this guy here at the top, Jeffrey LP. He's on the Discord actually, so you can chat with him on the Discord. So they're still on the Discord. This is 2018, so that means almost 4 years ago, 3 years ago, and some change. This individual is still part of the project, so that's a good sign, actually. Right? And he talks about it right in detail. Both of them talk. All three of them actually talk about it. This individual on the right here. This is the person that's actually interviewing them. But this is a good video. I watched it through. This is a good video, actually, right? And of course, the video, excuse me, the website is 0xBitcoin. That's their website, right? And the price is at $1.82. Right, $1.82. So it's gone down, of course, right, since the last time I talked about it. And the market cap, so trading volume is 1 million per day, right? I would see it just down a little bit, but that's fine, I guess. Anyway, so yeah, this is token. So I will post this in the video. I'll just make this video, and thanks again, and we'll see you in the next one.